The Vieux Carré Cocktail. Hard to pronounce, easy to make. I'm going to show you how to do it today on Let's Talk Drinks. Alright guys, so I have this opinion that if you put a cocktail on a menu that's really hard to pronounce, no matter how good the cocktail it is, it's not going to sell. Alright? This cocktail is called the Vieux Carré. That's how you spell it. Vieux Carré, just like that, is how you pronounce it. So it's really easy to pronounce, but I want to put this on a cocktail menu coming up. However, I'm going to change it to the French Quarter because Vieux Carré was named after the French Quarter in New Orleans. I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so classic cocktail. And the thing with this cocktail is you really have to use great ingredients with it. It calls for 30 mils of bourbon. So now I'm going to use 30 mils of the Woodford Reserve Double Oak. If you haven't tried this, it is beautiful. It's one of my favorite bourbons. It's just Woodford Reserve that's been aged again in brand new American oak barrels, and it is super delicious. Next up, 30 mils of 1 ounce of a cognac. I'm going to use the Remy Martin VSOP, which I also enjoy. Next up, 10 mils or 1/3 of an ounce of Benedictine. Just to add those really nice herbal notes. 30 mils or 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth, using the Dolin Rouge. A dash, or a couple in this one, of Angostura Bitters. Same again, 1 dash in the big bottle or 2 to 3 in the small bottle of Peychauds Bitters. Then we're going to give it a stir. Once again, we're diluting the drink now and chilling it down, really important. And what I have to do is chill down your glassware. You don't want to pour a really nice chilled drink into a warm glass. This was created in 1938 by Walter Bergeron at the Montillon Hotel in New Orleans. But the actual translation is Old Square. All right. It's actually really good. Going to strain that into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. You can use a coupette. Nick and Nora's probably a little bit short. And I'm going to do a lemon twist for a garnish. Nice and simple. Let's give it a try. So good. We did a barrel-aged Vieux Carré here at the 18th Amendment Bar probably about 2 years ago, and it's kind of sad that I'd never really tried a Vieux Carré until we opened 18th Amendment. How the hell did I not know about this classic cocktail? I don't know, but I do now, and I actually drink a lot of these. Guys, really well balanced. That double oak though, getting that really nice oakiness coming through, the sweetness from the bourbon, the cognac, just another level of type of different sweetness too there. The herbal notes from the Benedictine, sweet vermouth. It's 1938. Like, I love classic cocktails. This is the reason why. Guys, if you're a serious bartender or an amateur, up and coming, whatever, really make one of these cocktails. They're amazing. They are pretty boozy though, so be careful. Please like, subscribe. Another short cocktail video. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.